Alright, now do yourself. Yeah. Can't tell if it's done. Yeah, it's recording just fine.
Oh wait, wrong.
Oh yeah, I'll be back. Okay. You said that
About 3 minutes left if you still have stuff out. We need to get our laptops put away.
You know the emote if you spam it, it looks like a emote. You don't need that one.
Yeah.
I think he really needs to do that.
Thank you for putting up my emails.
No,
And did you just sit over there?
you need to go to the room real quick, sit down, and be quiet.
Just go to your room. Go.
Mom might not be able to focus. When does your dad get off?
Like 4.
Oh, my mom gets off. When mom gets off.
My dad.
Oh no, you're just
Hot subs for you.
Not necessarily.
I think he just doesn't want to teach us sex Mr. Elderly. I think so.
What?
What?
Oh, we got
And it's
Oh my God, I'm so
it's like, I'm about to go. You guys don't shut up.
I got shorts.
I asked Gavin if he was still gonna next year. Alright, let's go. Kids. Oh, I'm not gonna play next year. Oh, what about me? I know. You know Taylor in 6th grade?
And I got underwear. Yup.
Gavin, you're going there next year?
Yes, I'm doing it. So, I'm getting home.
They can't hold their people.
I know.
Show me how to wait. I'm trying to get to my stuff. Wow, what's wrong with high school?
guys got your books?
Yeah.
No, I can get them.
Quarter in public. How am I supposed to cut this?
Gavin, there's a thing called scissors. The scissors are
Wait, stop. Read it.
Rape. Rape.
Okay, let him.
Ooh, that's
Still got it. Still got it.
I don't care.
What's up, guys?
Y'all have Freedom Summer, right?
Yeah.
Baby.
I don't know. Do I?
A wild card. I guess I am. No, quit pulling yours. Oh my God,
Right, good.
Jermaine, you gotta be Whenever Jocelyn says something about loving art, she gotta be Hannah, what the heck? She's not that's my hair. Time to take a nap. Yeah, girl. Jermaine, if you don't know, you get to take a nap when you're low. She's so boring. I got written up on the bus today. Because I kept saying yes. No, you can say it over there. Oh my gosh, sorry. Hannah, you don't need a focus. The other side. You can try on the other side. Why? So you can use this. No, do we go to the zoo? You want to
What's up, Zach?
What was that face? No, it's Thomas' chair.
I'm not gonna be at school today.
I didn't say I'm not going to see you. I am Tommy, are you still going to I am here faster than you.
Or was it for Tyler?
Tommy, are you still going to
Okay. So I was going through your assessment grades on drama, and I think I may have seen quite a few preventable failures. Meaning, a preventable failure may be getting a bad grade on a test for which you didn't study even though you understood the subject matter. Might I be correct there? That would make you did.
Oh yeah, I got 12.
And maybe that's fine. I saw some that I thought, I would have thought they would have done better. I wonder if this was a preventable failure in which maybe they forgot to study, even though we talked about the information and I gave you a study guide, and the study guide went along pretty well with the test, don't you guys think? Right? Okay. So, I thought that with this article of the week, maybe it would be a good thing of me to allow retakes on this later today if anybody would like to do that. If you're happy with your grade, leave it alone. If you want to retake later, come and see me so that I can reset that. If you got a 14 out of a 15 and you're just that big of a perfectionist, I really wouldn't worry about it. You're fine. She's not here today. I don't know.
Everyone was in the back of the room expecting Emily to be there.
Leave her alone.
Emily was days at school.
Oh my gosh, Emily's gonna
No, she's doing something for school. She went to this office or something.
Yeah, she's got something going
It's
on.
still school related.
skip a day.
But for the first part, we need to get back to Freedom Summer. There's actually a really good movie that goes along with this. It's a documentary called Neshoba. And it's a really good lesson in irony. But it looks like this year they blocked me out of my Netflix account, so I'm trying to...
I got Netflix.
I got
Ask
Netflix
Jocelyn
little
for it. She
lie.
gave
I
me
got
hers.
Netflix on my phone. I can just set my phone up and we all can huddle around and watch it.
Jocelyn can give you hers. She gives Deborah.
I would rather show it on the big screen, and it's the district who has blocked me out of Netflix. So,
Welcome to the office.
I think they probably didn't follow the teacher.
Why from the teachers?
There's no reason.
I mean, if it's not.
Maybe some of the teachers were watching shows on Netflix they shouldn't be. I don't really know.
We all can Chris is just sitting there watching.
Well, that's the teacher's fault.
She has to be during. Oh, yeah. We can watch that and like Xbox 360. Let's watch The Office, guys. Tommy, do you watch? Oh my God, that's like the best show ever.
No, Friends is the best show ever.
Nobody's. The Office is a good.
Office is a
I start watching.
While I'm taking attendance, I would like for you guys to kind of flip through chapter 1 and get familiar again with some of the characters. Remember, there's a lot of characters in here. There's a lot going on in the beginning. And you were supposed to annotate things that you found about the first character, which who was the first character we learned about?
A person. The lady? A person.
No, in chapter 1. We focused on one of the people who was murdered.
Tommy. Isn't it the, teeny person?
James Jones.
It was a teeny guy.
So the best way to do that would be to open up to chapter 1.
It was too.
I'm sorry, chapter... We haven't done chapter 2?
No.
No, we were supposed to read it, weren't we?
No.
Or we were supposed to read to it.
Oh, you know what? We're behind.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh no, chief.
So then just flip through chapter 1, check out your annotations real quick. And then I'll be back after I take attendance. You're going to be annotating